told you that I'm. Yes, you see my Instagram post also. So I don't have any posters. Sir, but we are not doing anything, sir. See, Mr. Desai, see, we brought the children.
Okay.
Mr. Desai, we just brought the children to show them the opinion poll where the host are. I said, we are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children, and we are 3 adults. Give us half an hour to 45 minutes. We are celebrating over here. Sir, Ami, not even one banner here, sir. Sir, Ami, Swadhan's protest. Sir, to Etlo, I Liberation Day, Monday,
What are these poses they are making like this?
And
Government
sir,
has put all these no poses.
Sir,
What are they expressing like this?
but,
What are those people expressing?
sir, but
All throughout Goa, we have put banners of cutouts.
please,
Yeah?
please.
Real people
Give
cannot
us
do
this
this. If we do
freedom
this, we
and
are prisoners.
Sir, that's why
We are
please give us
criminals.
freedom. Sir, as Liberation
Everywhere around the city, you can see people are raising their fist high in the air. They put cutouts. We are not cutouts. We are real people. Okay? All I want to say, it is not a crime to put your fist up and demand freedom. Don't put those cutouts otherwise. They look stupid otherwise. Real people are there to raise their hand. We don't need cardboard cutouts.
We are just quietly singing songs over here, and not even any kind of songs. But children are here, tourist children are here. Why we girls are not permitted to come here with children? तू म्हाका सांग सर, हांव गोंयकार, हांव तालिगांव रावता, हांव पणजे येता, हांव सदांच हिंगा येता, and I come here to pray also at the church. तू म्हाका आई सांगता, protest कांय ना, not even one banner ना हिंगा आमकडेन. No, they are not singing anything. काय करना आमी? तू म्हाका सांग सर. Yes.
No singing, no nothing is. Why?
So many, everyone was coming. See, today president is coming. Everyone will definitely try to see if they can meet the president or see something, because if the youth cannot come and see a president that comes once in a while to Goa, I mean, what is youth? There should have been a section kept for the youth, kept for children. President of India is coming to Goa and nothing is being done for the people. I mean, why is the government so scared that we are going to be protesting, or why we are going to be making noise? Youth wanted to meet up with the children. Why the youth are not given permission to meet up? They had a letter written also to the president. But everything is under hush, 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 and all our MLAs and everyone else is enjoying. And what about we people? Who get them elected?
Once again, only one question I was saying. Are we liberated?
Frankly speaking, no. I don't feel today, if I have cops around me and I can't even sit with my child into a parish where I attend church service, and into a place where opinion poll has happened, and we got Goa as our own state. If today we can't sit here and just do our own thing with our children, showing them, I don't feel I'm liberated, frankly speaking. And I think so we should have been ruling by the Portuguese only. We should have not got. Today we are fighting with our own Goans and our own Indians, because we want little bit of freedom and space and a voice to speak up. That's all I can say, guys.
So now you're leaving or you're staying here?
No, we know. I told Mr. Desai that give us some time. We call children together. We are explaining to them, have some snacks, and then we'll move out. Because no one wants us here. I mean, we being Goans are not permitted to sit here. I don't know what else to say. I don't have one post put out of today's protest, because I am not part of it. I'm always been supportive of the youth, whatever they wish to do. But Save Mole is a big thing that we've been fighting. Yesterday, y'all were there. We were almost arrested yesterday. But that was a protest that I was part of. But today is the youth movement, and I'm not a youth anymore. But we are always supportive. You can see any youth here. Everyone has been taken and gone from bus stand. We didn't know everyone where they were coming. But this is opinion poll area. We have the freedom. We have the liberty, and we will be here. And I hope the police don't take children along. I just hope for the best. Yeah.
What happens to the exactly?
No.
Why the police are? You have to
today,
explain.
See, we've just come with our children today to show them the opinion poll area where our freedom fighters have fought. So, is it a crime for us Goans to bring our own children? You can see we have like 7, 8 children. So we are touring them around, and if you can see this whole passage, we have people like this with all posters done. And for what reason? I mean, don't do fake promises and don't show fake for tourists when we ourselves Goans are not permitted to sit here. We can sing liberation song. We can sing our own children's song. If you see our bags, we don't have one banner or poster. And you all know I wear Save Mola t-shirt or I wear the roster t-shirt. That's galon day and night. So it's our liberty, it's our freedom. Why were we fought the liberation otherwise? Tumakasa, you all are media people. Why have we fought?
You got a call from the cop now. What the?
I've been
From
getting
whom?
calls
From?
even from Session called me for morning. I got calls from 3 police
That's
people.
now you got a call from which officer?
From SP Mata, Mr. Desai. Mr. Uttam Desai.
Oh, okay.
So I got a call from him and he asked me also, Cecil, are you part of this protest? I said, no, I am not part of any of this protest, but I know that the youth are organizing something. But I don't know what. If you see my post, I don't have one Instagram post put up. I don't have one Facebook post put up because it is not my movement. It's youth. I've come with children.
What he was telling you?
He was telling me to move out from here.
Why?
He's saying, don't do protests. I said, you're not doing protests.
Okay, you are moving out or not?
No, I told him, I said, give us some time. We've come with children. Where you want us to take? Everywhere we go, there's barricade. So where are we going to celebrate? And today is 59 years and 100 crores is given to the government to celebrate 1 year. For us, Goenkas only to throw us out from here. Tourists are like, Burgyang gyeon. And we don't have freedom to be here with our children. Ami kere white kela. Tumi dakho. You all show the people. Ami kere white kela. Ami kai konung nami boson ha Burgyang gyeon. And he's saying it's not right for us to bring children. I mean, it's not right. Yeah.
Today, 2 birds have been beaten right now from the Penjim side.
Varun, can you tell me how you are celebrating Liberation Day of Goa today, our 60th anniversary?
I'm celebrating Liberation Day by. I don't think we are liberated today because we've been protesting for the government to listen to us and they're not listening. So in Malaya, where I've gone, I've seen like a lot of animals, gores, king cobra, and it's a beautiful forest. So I don't want them cutting trees in that forest.
Thank you.
I'm a priest. My property, you are arresting for what? What kind of liberation is this? I'm sitting in my property. Hey, please. 1 second. I want to request on what this is. You are a part of the protest. You are a part of the protest. 1 second. You are a part of the protest. My wallet is there. My property is there. Please take. Please go.
आयज आमी एक मेसेज पयली सोशल मिडियाचेर भुरग्यांनी एक कॉल दिल्लो की एक प्रोग्राम करपाक. सो सगळे लोक पणजे आयिल्ले फ्रॉम डिफरंट ऑर्गनायझेशन, कन्सर्न सिटीजन, एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट, सगळीं भुरगीं. सो जेन्ना आमी आयले आमकांय खबर ना. सो आमी जेन्ना जमा जाले तेन्ना पुलीस जबरदस्ती करून आमकां व्हरपाक लागले. सो तांकां आमी सांगलें तुमी आमकां व्हरा युथांक व्हरचें नात म्हण. आनी तो यूथ तांची बसूच घेवन गेले ते. सो आमचे मेंबर आशिल्ले पळय एक्झिक्युटीव मेंबर स्वप्नेश शेल्लेकर आनी प्रवीण शेटगांवकर आनी तांणी सगळ्यांनी फॉलो केले आनी थंयसान हाडून तांकां युथांक परते हाडले. सो वी हॅव टोल्ड द पुलीस दॅट दीस इज अ सेलिब्रेशन, दीस इज लिबरेशन डे. जेन्ना चीफ मिनिस्टरान स्वता सांगला लेट अस ऑल सेलिब्रेट, सो ह्या भुरग्यांक कित्याक दवरता तुमी? भिवपाची गरज ना म्हूण सीएमानूच सांगुल्लें. आयज भिले आमच्या युथांक, आयज गोंय तें युथांचें. सो आयज आमी युथांक सांगतले ऑफिशियली ऑल आर फ्रीडम फायटर्स टुडे फ्रॉम टुडे. आयज आमी पळय फेल जाल्ले आसा लोक, ते पॉलिटिशियनांनी आमकां फेल करून दवरला, ते आयज आमचे गोंयची चावी फुडली ह्या युथा कडेन दिता आमी. हे यूथ सांबाळटले आमचें गोंय आयच्या. Youth were coming for one program along with singers and artists and all. It was a very nice creative thing of celebrating, which I don't know why the police came and jabardasti ती भितर घाले बसीन. When I went to question them, why are you all touching the youth? ती भुरगीं. Why I also, they took me. I said, you take me, but not the youth. They have come to celebrate.
Please government, hang me, I'm telling you. This is what, I'm wearing a t-shirt of Goa Protect, and I should not protect my mother. I am happy to be arrested on this day. It's an auspicious day for a Goan. This message should be passed on to all the Goans. जर हे t-shirt घालून जर आयज आमी क्रायम केला, तर we are not आमी आमावीचे भुरगे न्हू. Fact, this is required. आणि हेंच्यांनी भुरग्यांक दिले पळय, shame on these people. At least tell them no why they have arrested. अरे म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो तूं टी-शर्ट हे घालून भोंवता म्हणपाक लागलो. अरे what do you mean by टी-शर्ट घालून भोंवता? फाल्यां येतलो आनी तूं म्हणटलो अंडरवेअर घालना आसतना भोंव म्हणटलो म्हाका. Shame on this government. Shame. I'm telling you. Please pass this message to the president. तर आयज आमच्या युथा बरोबर जर असले घडटा न्हू, दीस गोवा पुलीस आणि दीस गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट टर्न दीस गोवा पुलीस इंटू बिहार पुलीस. अंडरस्टँड दॅट. आयज जे इतके तांकां इन्फ्लुयन्स करतात, आपल्या उतराचे तांकां अशें नाचयतात. आमी गोंयकारांक वळखता, आमचे भावूय पुलीस आसात, पूण हेचे अशें तांकां इन्फ्लुयन्सान नाचयतात. बेश्टे कोणाक हाडप, धरप, घालायन घालप. दे आर टर्निंग दीस गोवा इंटू बिहार. प्लीज स्टॉप दीस. President sir, you are in Goa. This message is passed on to you. Wearing this Goa t-shirt, Goa Protect is a crime. Then yes, I did it. Please hang me.
I just got info that the youth are taken to other side police station. So they are all being taken there. I don't
I'm walking, no. I'm walking. Yeah, so why is he pushing me from behind? No, he's pushing. Relax.